The top job often comes with a top car. For the US president, it's a Cadillac known as the Beast. For the British Prime Minister, it's a Jaguar XJ Sentinel. And Germany's Chancellor goes for a BMW. Custom-built, armoured and luxurious. Perhaps not the words you'd use for the president of Uruguay's vehicle. This, a 1987 VW Beetle. But Jose Mujica says an Arab sheikh has now offered him $1 million for the car. It's an offer that's amused people in the South American country.
At first I thought it was funny to offer so much money for a Beetle. I do not think he needs it, but if he wants to sell it and the car is on sale, let him take advantage of it.
The car became a symbol of the leader's austere lifestyle. When he became president in 2010, he said it was all he owned. Even the rundown farm he lives on was in his wife's name. Some think his car could fetch even more if it went to auction.
Auctioning that car would mean a large sum of money. As I said, that car could be worth more than 10 trucks.
President Mujica, popularly known as Pepe, says if he got money or trucks, he'd give them away. The man once nicknamed the poorest president in the world now seems to be sitting on, or in, a little treasure trove.